let's work from chapter 4, determining activity durations. We're going to do problem number 1. Let's go through the givens. The first given is the duration 130 man hours, and this is sigma, standard deviation is 9 man hours. All right. Find what are the man hours at a 95% confidence interval. The 130 man hours is at a 50% confidence interval, or average. The second problem is what's the probability if the duration is less than 140 man hours. We can do these problems in any order. Let's do first ones first. How many man hours at 95% confidence interval? So I'll draw the standard deviation, and at a 50% confidence interval, or right in the average, it's 130 man hours. The question is, what is it at a 95% confidence interval? So we go to table 4.3 in the book. It is the standard deviation table, and we look and we try to get a 95% confidence interval. And from the table, we can see that a number of 0.9505. Okay? Pardon my French there. But that's close enough to 95%. And we get the row is 1.6 and the column is a half, and we get at 1.65, 9505, or 95%. So we know now the duration is equal to 130 plus whatever distance this is, and it's 1.65 times the standard deviation. And when we do out the math, we get 142.95, and for our purposes, we're going to say it's 143 man hours. Problem number 2. What's the probability that the duration is less than 140 man hours? Again, we draw a normal distribution, 130 man hours at 50%, and the question is, what is it going to be? What percent is it going to be at 140 man hours? We use the same equation as we did up here. But here we don't know the duration, but we know the man hours. 140 man hours equals 130 plus x times whatever sigma needs to be. Well, we know 140, we know 30, we solve for x. X is equal to 1.1. So again, we go back to table 4.3, and this time we look at 1.1, the row, and then column 0.1, and we get 0.8665, or 86.65% confidence. And for our purposes, we'd say that it's at 85% confidence that the duration is going to be less than 140 man hours, because this is 140 man hours, and this all is how much is less than it. And when we put this number in here, this 140 turns out to be 130 plus 1.1 sigma. We got that from here. And this 1.1 gives us 65% or 85%. All right?